Don't touch that vape. What? Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing another chug. I can fill it up with random drinks again. And then, yeah, let's go get our drinks. So right now we got some Sprite. And this. Let's get some 3 pumps. And then 2 pumps. 1 pump. No. 2 pumps. And extra units on goes. 1 pump. That's it. That's it. And we gooch.
Bless you.
Okay, guys. So, that's how I got all those drinks right there. Halfway full because I'm not too badly into chugs yet. So I got halfway full. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's chill. That was good, but it hurt my throat. So, for more Chug videos, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Peace.